today I'm going to be showing you how to fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo. Now this can happen for a multitude of reasons. Let's say you keep changing your browser to Google Chrome as your main one on your PC, but the search engine keeps switching back to Yahoo, which is obviously something that you don't want to do. It could be a sort of virus or something malicious on your PC or even on your browser that keeps forcing Yahoo as your search engine. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, the first step that I would do is head on over to the three little dots here and then head on over to extensions, press manage extensions, and you're going to see extensions here. If there is any that you don't recognize or you think might be malicious, you might want to do research on the different extensions that you have on Google Chrome. But if you do find any malicious, all you want to do is click remove. Once you press remove, it's going to say you can remove it. But if you do think it's malicious, you can report abuse, and Google is basically going to look further into it and investigate the issue further. So if you do think anything is malicious, press report abuse, then press remove. The second step I would recommend doing is heading on over to the three little dots, going over to settings, and then on the bottom left, you're going to see reset settings. Once you click this, it's going to say restore settings to their original defaults. Once you do this, it's going to reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts. Now this can definitely help if Yahoo is being forced as the search engine on Google Chrome. Now restart Google Chrome after doing those two steps and hopefully that should fix the issue. However, if it doesn't, all you want to do is X out of Google Chrome, head on over to your search on Windows and type in Windows Security. Then once you're here, you want to head on over to scan options and just go ahead and do a full scan. Once doing a full scan, if it detects any malware steps, Yahoo should disappear as a search engine on Google Chrome and you should be good to go.